షోరూమ్ ను సినీ నటి ఇలియానా ప్రారంభించింది. వివిధ రకాల ఆభరణాలు ధరించి షోరూమ్ లో సందడి చేసిన ఇల్లీబేబ్ తనకు రింగ్స్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టమని చెప్తోంది. బాలీవుడ్ చాలా బాగా నచ్చిందని, బర్ఫీ సినిమా హిట్ తర్వాత మంచి ఆఫర్లు వస్తున్నాయని చెప్తోంది. తెలుగులో మంచి కథ వస్తే మళ్లీ నటిస్తానని చెప్తోంది ఇల్లీబేబ్.
I'm doing a film with Shahid Kapoor in Bollywood that is called Pata Poster Nikla Hero, and as of now this is the only one I've signed, and I'm still reading scripts in Tollywood, and if something really good comes along I'd love to do it. Yes.
So is bound Tollywood or Bollywood?
I can't choose. This is the Indian film industry. I think Tollywood is so special to me because I started my career here. I was only 18 when I started my films, and the people have accepted me from my first film. You know, Devadasu was such a big hit, Pokri was a big hit, and it was all because of the audience. And it's been such a lovely experience working here. You know, there's been such a lot of warmth that I've got from the audience. They've loved me no matter what. And I'm extremely grateful and really proud to be a part of this, and really proud to have started my career here. And for me, it's just been an amazing experience, you know, being a part of the Indian film industry. So I'd love to do a film here again.